This is Diamond City Estate, located at GRA Enugu. It is opposite Golf Estate. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consult and will bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So we are currently at Diamond City Estate, which is one of the most expensive estates right here in the city of Enugu. Yes, a lot of you might be wondering, how come this estate is very expensive? Why did I say this estate is the most expensive estate? So I'm going to be explaining all of this to you on this video. So all you have to do is to stick with me today. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, do well to hit the notification bell so as to get information of the new updates that would always drop on this channel. Now, so like I said, we came into Diamond Estate to make a drive-through video and also to explore wonderful properties right here in Diamond City Estate. So this is one of the houses we came to check right here at Diamond City Estate. It is a 4-bedroom contemporary duplex in a separate compound right here in Diamond City Estate. It comes with a swimming pool. It comes with a very massive living room. It comes with a very massive master's bedroom, and it's all in suite. It has a balcony. It also has an ante room. So this particular project, this particular house is selling for 300 million naira. Now you see the reason why we said Diamond Estate is one of the most expensive estates right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. As you can see, this is the staircase leading upstairs and also that brought me downstairs. This is the living room. How beautiful it looks. So there are other projects that brought us here, and I'm going to be showing you so that you can see other projects that brought us into this particular estate. Now we are heading straight down to check the next project, and as you can see, there are beautiful houses, beautiful duplexes, beautiful bungalows that are being built in Diamond City Estate. As you can see, it has a full tarred road. A plot of 500 to 600 square meters in this particular estate is selling for 90 million naira. Now, why is this place so expensive? Here is a government reserved area. So the security in this estate is top notch. The security in this particular estate is very tight. So you cannot come into this estate without them knowing the exact house or the exact place you are going to. Now this estate comes with a lot of many other features. It has a street light, it comes with a fully tarred road, and a lot of big personalities are living in this particular estate, and that is why you can see that the security is very tight. So Diamond City Estate is one of the best estates that you can buy and build your dream home and also raise your children or raise your kids. So this is we headed down to the second project we came to inspect right here, and this is a contemporary 4-bedroom duplex, all in suites in a separate compound. Yes, this particular building is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. It comes with this massive living room. It also have a dining space right here. Now this is the kitchen, all fitted, fully fitted kitchen, and it comes with a marble top center table. Yes, this particular kitchen also comes with a microwave and oven. Now this is the balcony for the family lounge upstairs. Now this particular house is very beautiful. This is the master's bedroom. As you can see, very massive. It has cross ventilation and comes with a very large wardrobe. Now this property is selling for 300 million, and we are out to search for our third property that we'll be showing you today. So if you're interested in any of those properties that we've listed, do well to call us today on the number you're seeing on your screen so that we can bring you here for inspection and for purchase. Now we are heading down to the third property. Actually, the third property is a rental property. So if you are looking at renting a house right here in Enugu State, do what to call Josh Consorts. Now we have an amazing property right here in the city of Enugu that is very close to Diamond Estate, and we call it Blossom Gardens Estate. So in my previous video, you'll see the whole update about Blossom Gardens Estate. Now, Blossom Gardens Estate is being developed by Enugu State Housing Development Corporation, the same people that was in charge of Diamond City Estate. Now it's selling for 10 million naira, of which they are bringing the same plan that they did at Diamond City Estate. They are bringing into Blossom Gardens Estate. So if you miss Diamond City Estate, don't miss Blossom Gardens Estate for any reason. Do what to call us so that we can bring you for inspection. Now we are currently at the third building. This is actually a rental property. Now this property is currently renting out for 3 million naira. It is a 3-bedroom duplex, 4 in a compound. So if you are looking at to get this property, do what to call us today so that we can bring you here for inspection and booking. Now, if this is the first time of coming across our channel, do what to subscribe, hit the notification bell so as to get information when we drop new updates. Now we're about to live in this particular estate, and if there's any other place, if there's any other estate you want us to help you make a video of, maybe a place you've left, probably a client in diaspora that needs to see the current development happening in Enugu State, do how to drop it on the comment section. So I'll meet you guys later again on my next video, so anticipate and wait for it. Bye for now.